kulay orange. Yan. I am Martina. Martina Pagoso, an 80-year-old senior. My long life dream since I was in elementary to make my parents happy. Because I'm the eldest, I like to give them a better life. And that's my ambition to see the beatific vision.
Question, did you ever imagine na aabot po kayo ng 80 years old?
No,
Uh-huh.
I didn't imagine living up to this age.
Oh, so were you
Because I'm on medication for 5 illness. But because of the Lord, His love for me, He takes care of me through many accidents and storms in life. And here I am, thankful. And because of the many people around me who loves me, my children, my sisters, and other friends and relatives. To God be the glory.
What do you think is the secret para umabot po ng 80 years old?
You should trust God. Prayers, so that you will have peace of mind, joy, because you know that the Lord Almighty is always beside you, who will protect you.
Imagine you can go back and see yung 20 years old self nyo or nung dalaga pa kayo. Ano po yung gusto nyo sabihin sa kanya, knowing na 80 years old na kayo ngayon?
Hi, myself, Lina. Thankful naman ako kasi I prayed for a good husband. I prayed for better life for my parents and siblings. And natupad yun, binigay mo, Lord. Kaya very thankful ako. Kaya up to now, gusto ko mag-serve sa'yo through catechism dahil sa mga biyaya.
What are you most grateful for today?
Pinagpapasalamat ko yung 5 anak ko. Kasi sila na nagbibigay sa akin ng happiness, tsaka inspiration in life. And also mga apo ko, mga kapatid ko.